Hello friends, in information technology, our second chapter is impressive web designing and our today's topic is row span and column span in the table. So basic need to understand what is row span. I have made one program here. So the simple meaning of row span to understand is it is the attribute of table, and what it will do is it will combine the number of rows. So if I am using, it is the attribute of td tag here. Why it is the attribute of td tag? Because it will combine the data of two rows. If I am giving row span is equal to 2, if I will give here a row span is equal to 3, it will combine the data of 3 rows, of 3 span, of 3 row. In 3 rows you can see colors. Now it is, you can see colors in 2 rows. How it will work we will see. So the number of rows in this table are 2, tr and tr. So what is it? td row span 2 colors, td bg color red, and you will see red data in that. I'm just giving the bg color to this column or this data only to red, and the second row is bg color green. Why it is only single td here? Why not 2? So we will see by running this output. Let's run this. See, here this is the table which is having 2 rows, these 2 rows here, but this colors appears in the 2 rows because the first td we have said row span is equal to 2. That means this data will take a space of 2 rows. If I will give here a row span is equal to 3, then this table should have a 3 rows and it will appear in 3 rows. Just I will show you for example. Let's take one more row. If I will take one more row, and if I will give color blue here, blue, save this, and I have to make the row span 3 here. So my color will be appearing 3 rows. Color data will be appearing in the 3 rows. Let's check it. See, color is taking 3 rows. It is the data of your column number and row number 1, but it is taking the space of 3 rows. Why? Because I have given a row span is equal to 3, so it will take the space of 3 rows, and order will be aligned as per it have to align. So though I am having 3 rows here, I am using my color space in first column for whole 3 rows, and my second data will be red, green and blue likewise. So this is the simple example for row span, and I will show you now a example of column span so you can compare it. So now we will see the example of column span or col span you may say. So say same example here. Now what I'm using here, col span is equal to 2 align center, so it will be aligned at the center, and colors. Same example it is, so it is number row 1 and row 2. Now what I'm doing is aligning, combining my columns and not the rows, and combining just columns. That's why it is a column span. Now I am combining which number of columns? So it is 2. Let's see by running it. I will run this program so you can check the output. See, the 2 columns are combined here because I have taken in first TD, I have taken what? The column span is equal to 2, and red and green are the TDs of second row. So you can use this column span anywhere where you want it. So you can use it in second row also, and you can take these 2 colors in above line. So I will show you for better understanding. So if I cut this row from here, let's cut it here and put it down to this row. So it will be, the second row will be having col span of 2. So these 2 will be appear at the top of row, and the bottom row will be having column span of 2. Let's rerun this. See, now this is your second row, and in second row I am using col span 2, and your first row is not having any column span, so that's why it is red and green. And at the bottom of second row you can check, it is a column span here. And if I will add here a one row again. If I want to add one row again, let's add it, copy, and I am not using any column span here. If I will take color here orange, let's take it orange here, and I will take a color pink here, let's take it pink. It is row number 3, right? I'm not using any column span here, so it will appear in first column orange and second column pink. Let's rerun this. See, this how your column span and row span works. So I am just using column span in the second row, so column span will appear in second row. If I will use in first row, it will appear in first row. If I want it in third row, it will appear in the third row. So as like this, you can use column span anywhere in the table, or row span anywhere in the table. So that is about row span and column span in the table. I hope you understand, and we will see the next topic in the next lecture. Thank you so much.